Devi related channel where Stuti, all related to the divine feminine. It could be stotrams, it could be music, all the Devi, because only when the divine feminine, is risen and brought to balance the Shiva aspect, then there would be harmony and peace in the world. Yeah. Now the time has come. The time has come. We are now in the fifth dimension, 5D manifestation, of Earth has come. It is going to be it's going to be a great golden future, because Swami has promised that another 20 years from now, only the Atma Jnanis will walk on planet Earth. And today, we also launched another initiative, the Shlokas, Samskrita Vishwarupa Sai Consciousness, Samskrita Shlokas initiative. It is by 3 scholars, Guru Anand Dayanidhi ji, who's a Upanyaskar, and then Vidushi Bhavadharini Anantaraman, and disciple of Guru Anand Kumari Vatsalya. She is not new. All the 3 of them are not new to this channel. Vatsalya, in fact, every Sunday, she gives a 1-hour Upanyasam on. Now she's doing a series on Shivananda Lahari. So far, she has completed 7 shlokas of the Shivananda Lahari, and each week she's doing one hour. Bringing full manifestation. Every damage, every word, every bit of Shivananda Lahari. How the great master Adi Shankaracharya has given us. Then we have got Guruji doing Upanyasams on Bhagavatam. And his students, they do Upanyasams on every Saturday, 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. About 30 of his students, they're all aged between 5 years and 15 years. So we are booked for another 6 months every Saturday. That is a contribution. I mean, a lot of things are happening. And more so with the rising of the divine feminine. This is the age of the divine feminine. You have to believe, these are the words of Bhagwan Sri Sathya Sai Baba, the golden age is here, and we are all experiencing that. Yeah. In fact, there is a slight delay, because Dr. Professor Dwaram Lakshmi ma'am's flight was delayed, so she will be joining in about 10 minutes time. Till such time, we'll listen to some divine discourse of our Bhagwan. Om Shri Sai Ram.
Yeah, Sai Ram, thank you. This is so beautiful. We are starting this Vishwarupa Prema Sai consciousness with drops of light from Satya Sai. Let's look into this. Sai Ram.
Allah enchu Muhammadiyulu,
Mohammedans call him Allah.
Jehovah enchu Satkraitavulu,
Good Christians call him Jehovah.
Kullabjachudanenchu Vishnu Vaishnavulu,
And Vaishnavas call him as Fullabjak.
Shambho enchu Sevulu Sada,
Shaivais call him Shambho.
Pralabambuna Koluva, Andariki ఐశ్వర్యమును దయను ప్రేమను అందించి కాపాడేటువంటి దేవుడు ఒక్కడే అని భావించుడి.
We may give him any number of names, extol him as Allah, Jehovah, Vishnu and Shiva, but yet the same God confers plenty,
దైవం
prosperity,
ఒక్కడే.
compassion. God is one.
పేర్లు అనేకంగా ఉంటున్నాయి.
He has many names.
ఒక్కొక్క దాని గురించి ఒక మతంగా స్థాపించుకుంటూ వచ్చారు.
And every religion has got its own
ఈ మతములు
comprehension.
వేరు కాదు.
In fact, they are different. not different.
మతములన్నీ వేరు, మార్గము ఒక్కటే.
Though religions differ, the path is one.
వస్త్ర భేదము వేరు, వస్తువు ఒకటే.
The yarn is one, though cloth seems to be different.
శృంగారములు వేరు, బంగారం ఒక్కటే.
Jewels are different, but gold is one.
పశుల వన్నెలు వేరు, పాలు ఒకటే.
The color of the cows is different, but
జీవ
milk
జంతువులు
is
వేరు,
one.
జీవుండు ఒక్కటే.
Though there are many individuals, but the indwelling,
జాతి నీతులు వేరు, జన్మం ఒకటే.
there may be many of the beings, but the birth is same.
కనుకనే ప్రతి మానవుడు కూడాను తన తత్వాన్ని తాను గుర్తించుకుంటే సత్యము స్మరణకు వస్తుంది.
Therefore, if everyone investigates and inquires to know his true nature, he can experience truth.
ఈశావాస్యం ఇదం జగత్తు అనగా ఏమిటి? ప్రతి మానవుడు, ప్రతి ప్రాణి, ప్రతి జీవి ఈశ్వర స్వరూపమే.
Ishavashamidam Jagat. The entire universe is divine. Every living creature, every living being is divine.
ఇంతే కాదు,
Not only this,
ఈశ్వర సర్వభూతానాం.
Ishvara Sarvabhutanam.
అట్టి ఈశ్వరత్వము అన్ని భూతములు ఎందుకును చైతన్య స్వరూపంతో కదులుతూనే ఉంటున్నది.
God dwells in all the beings in the form of the life principle.
కనుక ఈనాడు మనకు కోరవలసినది శాంతి, శాంతి, శాంతి.
What we should pray for today is peace.
శాంతి ఎక్కడనో లేదు.
Peace is not separate.
మన స్వరూపములే
outside.
శాంతి స్వరూపములు.
In fact, you're the embodiment of peace.
సర్వరూపం ధరం శాంతం. ప్రతి మానవుని యొక్క శరీరము శాంతి స్వరూపమే.
Every human form is the very embodiment, personification of peace.
సర్వనామధరం శివం. అన్ని పేర్లు కూడాను మంగళకరమైనటువంటివి.
All names are equally auspicious.
సచ్చిదానంద రూపం అద్వైతం సత్యం శివం సుందరం.
That is non-dual, bliss existence. That is the form, the true form of every human being. That is truth, goodness and beauty.
ఈనాటి మానవత్వమునందు ఇట్టి పవిత్రమైన భావములు కనిపించుటలేదు.
In the modern man, we don't find such sacred thoughts.
శాంతి అన్నది మన రూపమే అని తెలుసుకున్నప్పుడు ఎవరు నమ్మరు.
When once we declare that we are the very embodiment of peace, nobody would believe you.
మరి శాంతి ఎక్కడున్నది? ఎవరైనా చెప్పగలరా?
Then where is peace? Can anyone say that?
శాంతి నిమిత్తమై ప్రపంచమంతా కూడాను వెతుకుతూ ఉన్నారు.
In fact, all over the world, people are in search of peace.
కానీ అది తన యందే ఉంటున్నది.
But it is within you.
తన ముక్కుపైన ఉన్న అద్దాలను తాను మరచి నా అద్దములెక్కడా అని వెతికేటువంటి యొక్క అజ్ఞాని వలె కనిపిస్తున్నది ఈ జగత్ ఇప్పుడు.
It almost sounds like a foolish man who is in search of his spectacles or glasses, wearing them all the time right above his nose.
శాంతి మనమే స్వరూపమై ధరించి కూడాను ఈనాడు శాంతి 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 కోసమే మనం ప్రాకులాడుతున్నాం.
Being for yourself the very personification of peace, yet you struggle for it.
ఈనాడు మానవుడు అనేక కష్టములకు, దుఃఖములకు, విచారములకు గురి కావడానికి మూల కారణం ఏమిటి?
What is the reason for all the troubles, anxieties, problems and worries that we face today?
తన స్వరూపాన్ని తాను మరచి తాను కానటువంటి యొక్క తత్వాన్ని భ్రమించి విశ్వసించి దానిని అభిలషించి కోరుతున్నాడు.
The main reason is that one has forgotten one's own true nature. He goes by false identification of that what he is really not.
ఏ మానవుడు వచ్చినప్పటికీ నాకు శాంతి కావాలి, శాంతి కావాలి, శాంతి కావాలి.
Every man aspires for peace.
శాంతి ఎక్కడ చిక్కుతుంది?
How can you get it?
తానే శాంతి స్వరూపాన్ని ధరించి శాంతి కావాలని కోరుకోవటం ఎంత అజ్ఞానం.
Being yourself the very embodiment of peace, is it not totally ignorance to be in search for it?
అని ఎవరో అనేటువంటి దాన్ని గుర్తించుకోవటమే నిజమైనటువంటి యొక్క సాధన.
The true spiritual practice consists in investigating one's own true nature.
Who am I?
Who am I?
కనుక నేనెవరు అనేటువంటి సత్యాన్ని గుర్తించుకోవడం కోసమని ఇన్ని విధమైనటువంటి సాధనలు జరుపుతున్నారు.
We undertake so many spiritual practices to find an answer and experience to this question, who am
నీ
I?
యందు ఉన్నటువంటి నేనే సర్వుల యందు ఉంటున్నాయి.
The I in me is uniformly present in everyone.
కనుక ఇట్టి దానిని నీవు నేను అనేటువంటిది భేదభావం చేత కలహం పొంది ఇది అశాంతికి గురి చేస్తున్నాయి.
We are restless, lost our peace because of distinction, differences on grounds of you and me here.
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా,
Embodiments of love.
ఈ ప్రేమ అనేటువంటిది ఒక్కటే మాత్రము మన వెంట జంట ఇంట ఉంటుండది.
It is only the love that is with you, in you, above you, below you, around you.
ఈ ప్రేమ అనేటువంటిది లేకపోతే మానవుడే లేడు.
Without love, man cannot live.
కనుకనే ప్రేమ అనేటువంటిది మనకు నిజమైన ప్రాణం.
Therefore, love is life.
ఆ ప్రేమనే మనకు లైట్.
This love is light.
లవ్ ఈజ్ లైట్.
Love is light.
ఆ లైట్ ను మనం పెట్టుకుంటే ఈ అజ్ఞానం అనే చీకటే మనకు గోచరం కాదు.
When we have this light of love, the darkness, ignorance would be dispelled.
ఈ ప్రేమ ఎప్పటికీ చావనటువంటిది.
Love is immortal, deathless.
అది ఎప్పటికీ చావనటువంటి ప్రేమనే మనకు నిజమైనటువంటి ప్రేమ.
That immortal love is true love.
వచ్చిపోయేటువంటి ప్రేమ ప్రేమనే కాదు.
That which comes and goes is not true love.
ఈ దేహం పెరుగుతుండాలి, ఈ దేహం తరుగుతూ ఉండాలి.
The body grows and also decays.
ఈ పెరిగి తరిగేటువంటి యొక్క దేహం యొక్క తత్వం నీవు సత్యమని భావిస్తున్నావు.
How do you consider this true? Where this birth, growth and
ఇది
death?
కాదు. ఈ సర్వ భ్రాంతులకు ఈ దేహమే మూల కారణము.
For all these imaginations, the body is the main cause.
కనుక ఈ బాడీ అభిమానమును క్రమక్రమేణా తగ్గించుకోండి.
Therefore, you have to reduce this body attachment day by day.
తేజ దుర్జన సంసర్గం,
Run away from the bad company.
భజ సాధు సమాగమం,
Be in good company.
కురు పుణ్య మహోరాత్రం.
Do good deeds day and night.
నీకు కావాల్సింది నీకు నిచ్చేది ఒక్కటే.
That's what is required.
ఎక్కడ చూసినా లోకం లోపల
In this world, wherever you see,
అనేక మంది కనిపిస్తూనే ఉన్నారు.
you see many people.
కానీ ఈ కనిపించే వారంతా అనేక మంది
Do you mean to say that you meet many people?
కానే కాదు.
No.
అన్ని ఒక్కటే.
In fact, all are one.
తల్లి తానే, తండ్రి తానే, బిడ్డ తానే, తల్లి చెల్లెలు తానే, అక్క తానే.
It is only this oneness that is expressed in the form of multiplicity.
పేరు మనం
Plurality.
పెంచుకుంటున్నామే కానీ ఇది ఏది కాదు.
It is all based on nomenclature, the name. The truth is one.
కనుక ఫ్రూట్ ఈజ్ వన్.
Truth is one.
ఈ ట్రూత్ అనేటువంటిది ఒకదాన్నే పెట్టుకోవాలి.
The truth is one which should be kept in view.
అందులోనే ప్రేమ ప్రవాహం అవుతుంది.
And that leads to incessant flow of love.
ప్రేమ ప్రవాహం లోపల మనము నిలిచిపోవాలి.
In this river of love, you stand
దాంతో
still.
మునిగిపోవాలి.
Get yourself drowned in the river of love.
ఎట్టి పరిస్థితి ఏంటైనా కూడా నువ్వు ప్రేమను మాత్రం మార్చుకోకండి.
Under any circumstances, never lose love.
ఎవరైనా వచ్చి చక్కగా నామస్మరణ చేసి
Chant glory of
ఈ
God.
పవిత్రమైనటువంటి యొక్క శక్తిని ప్రపంచానికంతా కూడా నువ్వు ప్రసరింప చెయ్యాలి.
The sacred energy that you are going to have
అది
should be shared with everybody.
ఈశ్వరత్వానికి సరైనటువంటి గుర్తు.
That is the true sign of the divinity.
ఈశ్వరుడు అనగా ఏమిటి?
Who is Ishvara?
గాలి వలె సంచరించేటువంటి వాడు ఈశ్వరుడు.
Ishvara, the divine, moves about freely like air.
గాలి ఏ విధంగా సర్వత్రా సంచరిస్తుందో
Just as air is all pervasive,
ఈశ్వరుడు ఆ విధంగా సంచరించేటువంటి
so
వాడు.
also God is all expansive.
కనుకని మీ యొక్క ప్రేమను, మీ యొక్క నామస్మరణను ఈ ప్రపంచానికంతా కూడా చక్కగా ప్రచారం చేస్తూ రావాలి.
Therefore, you should publicize, propagate, practice the God's name and share with everybody.
భజన బినా సుఖ శాంతి నహీ, హరి భజన బినా సుఖ శాంతి నహీ, హరి నామ బినా ఆనంద నహీ, హరి నామ బినా ఆనంద నహీ, హరి భజన బినా సుఖ శాంతి నహీ, హరి భజన బినా సుఖ శాంతి నహీ, జప ధ్యాన బినా సంయోగ నహీ, జప प्रभु दर्श बिना प्रज्ञान नहीं, दय धर्म बिना सत्य धर्म नहीं, भगवान बिना कोई हरि नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं।
Om Shri Sai Ram. What a grand, grand opening of this, Vishwarupa Prema Sai consciousness. And Swami wanted, his divine discourse to pervade the whole of cosmos. Hence, he delayed the flight of our dear Dr. Lakshmi. Om Shri Sai Ram. Rama, can you, be heartily welcome, Professor Dwaram Lakshmi Garu. She is a very integral part of Vishwarupa Sai consciousness, and it is her infinite compassion. She could, resonate with the work of the light work of Vishwarupa Sai consciousness. That is a group of people across the globe are trying to do the light work of spreading love and then raise the divine consciousness of oneness. I spoke to her 1.5 years back, and immediately she resonated and said, why me? I will give you on a platter 300 plus musicians who are highly accomplished. Let them all sing God's glory. See, that is her, selfless seva. Seva is seva means like you. That means what you are, you want others to be. So that seva, she made these 300. Now it multiplied and become 750. 3,000 concerts have taken place, and there's a phenomenal transformation in every musician who is in this forum. They come with so much of bhakti, so much of enlightenment, so much of light. Thank you, ma'am. We are eternally grateful to you for this contribution. And Vishwarupa Sai consciousness request you to kindly offer your music on this very auspicious 500th day. Om Shri Sai Ram. And today we have with us even Brother Julius, who's been our guide, friend, philosopher, mentor, who's an embodiment of selfless love. He can see the future. Hence, he keeps on guiding us all these programs, and how, each one is coming and joining to, contribute to raise the divine consciousness of oneness is truly, truly, truly incredible. Sai Ram. Over to you, Guru Garu.
Sai Ram, Adiyan Dasoham. My namaskarams, humble pranams to Brother Julius sir, to you, Adiyan Dasoham, and all the musicians, all the Vidwans, Rasikas here. And in fact, we the musicians must be very, very, very grateful to you, the Vishwarupa Sai consciousness, for giving all of us the greatest opportunity of singing in this Maharudrayagam. And it is like a festival for us, for all the musicians, the 500th day. It is really a memorable time for all the musicians who have participated, and I'm so grateful for the blessing.
Yes, ma'am. Swami's divine plan, bringing all us together, and it's like we are all his lovely kids coming together and celebrating this. And your contribution is invaluable, because without all of you, it can't be this 500th day of celebration. Thank you so much, ma'am. Sai Ram.
Thank you, Ramaji. Thank you for your kind words. And I beg your pardon at the outset because I was away from home and just now we returned, and the internet is a bit troubling. My computer is also, and so I beg your pardon if any mistakes or any kind of a technical problems arise. I beg your.
No problem, ma'am. It will go smoothly. So you please start.
He's there. He's there to take care of.
Yes.
That is even my belief. Thank you. I wish to render today
One more thing, ma'am.
Yes.
The Shruti box volume is louder.
Okay, is it okay now?
No, ma'am. You need to keep it minimum so that your voice is heard more.
Is it okay now? Is it okay now?
I don't know, ma'am. It's still coming loud. Maybe you can keep it away.
But this is the.
Okay, ma'am, it is okay now. It is okay. Once you sing, it will start syncing, and I think it will be more prominent.
Let us see. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. We will see that.
Okay, ma'am.
Three Ragamtanam Pallavis today. The first one is Sri Satya Sai Nam Seveham Shri Ishwaramba Priyatanayam. So I want to sing this Pallavi on Satya Sai Ram and offer our prayers to Mother Ishwaramba. I will start my concert with a very, very popular and favorite bhajan of Sai Ram. That will be followed by my first Pallavi. And it is not like the regular usual concert. I wish to offer it in a slightly different way. Kindly bear with me. Gopal Bala 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 Krishna Jai Govinda Krishna Jai Gopala Krishna Jai Gopala Bala 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 Krishna Jai Govinda Krishna Jai Gopala Krishna Jai Gopala Bala Bala Radha Krishna Jai Govinda Krishna Jai Gopala Krishna Jai Gopala Bala Bala Radha Krishna Jai 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 Krishna 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 Jai Krishna Jai Radha Krishna Jai Murali Krishna Jai Mohana Krishna 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 Jai Govinda Krishna Jai Gopala Krishna Jai Gopala Bala Bala Radha Krishna Jai Govinda Krishna Jai Gopala Krishna Jai Gopala Bala 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 Krishna Jai Gopika Mala Hari Pyari Mai कृष्ण जय गोपी कमाल हारी प्यारी माई वीर मन बिहारी मदन मोहन मुरली धारी कृष्ण जय ಗೋಪಿ ಗೋಪಗುಳ್ಳಗೂಡಿ ರಾಸ ಲೀಲೆಯಾಡಿ ಪಾಡಿ ಮನದ ಕಲುಷ ಕಳೆದು ಧನ್ಯರಾಗುವ ಗೋಪಿ ಗೋಪರೆಲ್ಲ ಗೂಡಿ ರಾಸ ಲೀಲೆಯಾಡಿ ಪಾಡಿ ಮನದ ಕಲುಷ ಕಳೆದು ಧನ್ಯರಾಗುವ ರಾಧೆ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ರಾಧೆ ಗೋಪಾಲ ರಾಧೆ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ರಾಧೆ ಗೋಪಾಲ ರಾಧೆ ರಾಧೆ ಗೋವಿಂದ ರಾಧೆ ರಾಧೆ ಗೋಪಾಲ ರಾಧೆ ರಾಧೆ ಗೋವಿಂದ ರಾಧೆ ರಾಧೆ ಗೋಪಾಲ ರಾಧಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ ರಾಮ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಗೋಪಾಲ ರಾಮ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ ರಾಧಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಗೋಪಾಲ ರಾಧೆ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ರಾಧೆ ಗೋಪಾಲ ರಾಧೆ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ರಾಧೆ ಗೋಪಾಲ ರಾಧೆ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ರಾಧೆ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜೈ ರಾಧಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜೈ ಮುರಳಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜೈ ಮೋಹನ ಕೃಷ್ಣ 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 ಜೈ ಕೃಷ್ಣ 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 ಜೈ ಕೃಷ್ಣ 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 ಜೈ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜೈ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜೈ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜೈ 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 ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜೈ ಜೈ श्री सत्य साईनं सेवे हम ईश्वराम्ब प्रियतनयं श्री सत्य साईनं सेवे हम ईश्वराम्ब प्रियतनयं தத்தானும் தத்தானம் தானும் தத்தானும் தானும் தத்தானம் தானும் தத்தானும் தத்தானும் தத்தும் தத்தும் தும் தும் ததகனும் தும் ததானும் ததும் தும் ததும் தனும் தனும் ததகனும் ததகனும் தனும் அகனும் தனும் தும் ததனும் ததனும் தத தானும் தும் ததகனும் தனும் 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 தானம் தும் ததகனும் ததகனும் தும் ததக தானும் அனம் அனம் தும் தத ईश्वराम्ब प्रियतनयं श्री सत्यसायिनं सेवेहम् 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 ईश्वराम्ब प्रियतनयं श्री सत्यसायि श्री सत्यसायिनं सेवेहम् ईश्वराम्ब प्रियतनयं श्री सत्यसायिनं सेवेहम् ईश्वराम्ब प्रियतनयं श्री सत्यसायिनं सेवेहम् ईश्वराम्ब प्रियतनयं श्री सत्यसायिनं श्री सत्यसायिनं सेवेहम् ईश्वराम्ब प्रियतनयं श्री सत्यसायिनं श्री सत्यसायिनं सेवेहम् ईश्वराम्ब प्रियतनयं 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 श्री सत्यसायिनं सेवेहम् सर्वेगपद श्री सत्यसायिनं सेवेहम् गपद श्री सत्यसायिनं सेवेहम् सरिग पद गपद श्री सत्यसायि गरि पागराप सद रिस गरि सद पद गरि सद प गरि गपद श्री सत्यसायिनं सेवेहम् ददा पद सरि ग प सद दस पद पद सरि ग पद सरि ग पद सरि ग पद सरि ग द पद द गरि ग सरि दस पद सरि ग पद गरि सद प गरि स द प ग सरि ग पद श्री सत्यसायिनं सेवेहम् गपद प ग पद प ग प ग द प द ग द प प ग रि स सरि स प प ग रि स रि रि ग ग प प ग ग रि रि स रि स ग रि ग सरि रा द सरि ग प द सरि स द स द प द ग रि रि स स द द प द स सरि ग पद श्री सत्यसायिनं सेवेहम् ईश्वराम्ब प्रियदनयं श्री सत्य साई नमसे वेगम The second one today is Svaraksharas embedded Pallavi, and the Sahitya says Sarigama Padanisa Yani Padari. Yes.
The Shruti volume is down.
Okay. Is it okay now? Better? Now?
Little bit reduced, ma'am. Yes, because we are listening more sound from the box, so I have to ask you. Sorry.
Now? Still higher? Tambura is higher?
Tambura was higher, ma'am. Oh my God! Now it's so peaceful. Oh my God. Yes, ma'am. Yes, it is good now. Thank you.
This is Kharhar Priya. The Pallavi says Sarigama Padanisa, that is Sarigama Padanisa Yani Padare Haruniki Priyamuga. Harudu is Ishvara, and this raga is in the raga is in the Pallavi is in Kharhar Priya raga, which is very supposed to be very very much Priya, liked by Ishvara, because the Rudra Yagam is performed for Lord Ishvara, who is Nada Priya, Nada Tanum Anisham Shankaram Namami Me Manasa Sirasa, says Tyagaraja. So I wish to sing this Pallavi very briefly. So then தலம் 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 தத ஆகடும் தத்தகடும் தும் ததகடும் ஆங்கனும் தகடும் ஆனும் ததகனும் ததகனும் தககனும் தும் ததகனும் ஆகனும் தத்தகனும் தத்தனும் தத்தகனும் ஆகனும் dum da 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 num da num da num da num dum da num da num da num da num da num தாரணம் தும் தரும் சரி கமா பத நிசா யனி பாடரே ஹருணிகே प्रिय मुग सरे गमा पद निसा यने पाडरे हारुनिगे प्रिय मुग सरे गमा पद निसा यने पाडरे हारुनिगे प्रिय मुग सरे गमा पद निसा यनि पाडरे हारुनिगे प्रिय मुग सरे गमा पद निसा यनि पाडरे हारुनिगे प्रिय मुग सरे गमा पद निसा यनि पाडरे हारुनिगे प्रिय मुग सरे गमा पद निसा यनि पाडरे हारुनिगे प्रिय मुग सरे गमा पद निसा यनि पाडरे हारुनिगे प्रिय मुग सरे गमा पद निसा यनि पाडरे हारुनिगे प्रिय ప్రియముగా సరి గమ పద నిజ యాని పాడరే హరునికి ప్రియముగా సరి గమ పద నిజయని పాడరే హరునికి ప్రియముగా సరి గమ పద నిజ యాని పాడరే హరునికి ప్రియముగా సరి గమ పద నిజయని 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 పాడరే హరునికి ప్రియముగా సరి గమ పద నిజ సరి గమ పద నిజయని పాడరే హరునికి ప్రియముగా సరి గమ పద నిజ యాని పాడరే హరునికి ప్రియముగా గమ పద నిజ యాని పాడరే హరునికి ప్రియముగా హరునికి ప్రియముగా సరి గమ పద నిజ యాని పాడరే హరునికి హరునికి ప్రియముగా సరి గమ పద నిజ యాని పాడరే హరునికి ప్రియముగా గమ పద నిజ యాని పాడరే హరునికి ప్రియముగా హరునికి ప్రియముగా సరి గమ పద నిజ యాని పాడరే హరునికి ప్రియముగా సరి గమ పద నిజ యాని పాడరే హరునికి ప్రియముగా హరునికి ప్రియముగా హరునికి ప్రియముగా సరి గమ పద నిజ యాని పాడరే హరునికి ప్రియముగా సరి గమ పద నిజ యాని పాడరే నిద పగరి సరి గమ పద నిజ Reni dani padama pani dadava bagari dava bagari sari gama padani sa yani padari Ganira pama pagari sari 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 regama pagari ganira dakari sari apama panira magari sari gama padani sa yani padari da 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 ma da 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 ni da ga ma ni da ma ga ri sa re ga ma da ma da ni sa ri sa ri sa da ma da ni sa da ga ri sa da na ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa ya ni pa da Riga ma pa da ni da pa pa ma pa da re ni da pa ma pa da re pa ga re sa ni da ni ga re re ma ga re re ida ba ma ga re re sa ni da ba ma ga re sa re ga ma pa da ni sa ya ni pa da dani da 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 ni da ba ma pa ni da ma pa da re ga ma pa da ni da ba ma pa da re ga ma pa da ni da ba ma pa ni da ba ma ni da ni ba da ma pa ni da ba ma ga re re ma ga re re ga re sa ni da ni ga re sa re re ga re sa ni da ni ga re ga ma pa da ni da ba ma pa da ga re ga ma pa da ni da ni da ba ma ga re ga na ba ma ga re ni da ba ma ga re re ga ma pa 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 ma pa pa ma pa da ba ma pa ni da ba ma pa sa ni da ba da ma ba da ma ga re sa re re ga ma pa ga sa re ga ma pa 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 ma ga ga ma ni da ma ga ma da ma ga re sa re ga ma pa da ni sa re ni da ni da ma re re ga ma pa da pa 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 ma pa ni da ba ma pa ni da ba ma ba da pa pa ma ba sa re ga ma pa da ni da ba ma pa da sa ni da ba ma ga re ni da ba ma ga re da pa ma ga re sa ni ga ma pa da ni sa ya ni pa da harugi priya muga sri gama padani sa yani pada re The last Pallavi in today's concert is in Raga Kamboji. This I have set to the following Sahitya. Nadatanum Maharudram Kirtayeham Sangeeta Sai Vinutam. What I mean, my bhava is Shiva himself is the embodiment of Nada. So he has Nada as his body, Nadatanu. Maharudram. Maharudra is worshipped in this Rudra Yaga, Maharudra Yaga. So him, I am Kirtayeham, I am singing in his praise. Sangeeta Sai Vinutam. Sangeeta Sai. Sai Ram, Satya Sai Ram is noted for his love towards music, bhajan, sangeet. He himself, he played, he sang, and he really enjoyed music. For him, music is everything. We can see even today in Puttaparthi. So in Maharudra Yaga also, Sangeetam, music is given the most important part, which is praiseworthy, noteworthy. And today being 500th day, all the musicians are happy, singing. So Nadatanum Maharudram Kirtayeham Sangeeta Sai Vinutam.
Ma'am, Shruti volume కొద్దిగా తగ్గించండి. Okay, Sai Ram.
संगीत साहिद्विनूतं स्वादतनुं महारुद्रं कीर्तये संगीत साहिद्विनूतं नादतनुं महारुद्रं कीर्तये संगीत साई विद्युतं नादतनुं महारुद्रं कीर्तये संगीत साई विद्युतं नादतनुं महारुद्रं कीर्तये मगपद स निदप मगरेगा मगस निपद दस रिग सारिग म पद स रिग स मपद मगरि सा निपद दस दस रिग मगरि सरि गम पद मग पद सरि मग गरि रि सा नि नि द मग पद सरि ग सा म पद नि द मग रि सरि ग म मग पद सरि ग मग रि रि सरि ग पद मग रि सा नि ग मग रि सा नि द मग रि सा मग सरि ग न कीर्तये संगीत साई विनूतं नादतनुं महारुद्रं कीर्तये I complete my concert with Nama Sankirtan. Before that, I would like to offer my sincerest, humble pranams to all the Vishwarupa Sai Consciousness team of fraternity and also to Brother Julius sir, my most affectionate Sodara Samana Adiyan Shriman Rangaswamy Krishnan sir, the two Ramas and all the teams. Thank you. Samba Sada Shiva, Samba Sada Shiva, Samba Sada Shiva, Samba Shiva, Samba Sada Shiva, Samba Sada Shiva, Samba Sada Shiva, Samba Shiva, Samba Sada Shiva, Samba Sada Shiva, Samba Sada Shiva, Samba Shiva, Samba Sada Shiva, Samba Sada Shiva, Samba Sada Shiva, Samba Shiva. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Vasudevam Harim. Radhe 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 Govinda, Radhe 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 Govinda 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 Radhe Radhe Govinda Radhe Radhe Govinda Radhe Radhe Govinda Govinda Ajnaninamaya doshan Aseshan vihitan Hare Shamasvatvam Shamasvatvam Seshashaila Shikhamane Seshashaila Shikhamane Seshashaila Shikhamane Hari.
Om Shri Sai Ram, ma'am. It is supreme ecstasy, ma'am. Tears of supreme ananda, because both the compositions, you did on Swami, and we have seen many musicians of your eminence in Puttaparthi. Yeah, and now we are seeing you, the granddaughter of Padma Shri Sangeeta Kalanidhi, Dr. Dwaram Venkat Swami Naidu, who is considered to be the Nada Brahma, the wizard of violin, singing today for the cosmic Sai. And what a launch, ma'am. What a launch. My heart chakra is really vibrating non-stop in supreme ecstasy. And I'm sure who are all the devotees of Swami, they can feel these vibrations. No words, ma'am. No words. And thank you is a very, very small word for the contribution what you have made to this monade by bringing all those wonderful musicians to come and sing for the Lord and raise the divine consciousness of oneness. Now, I would like to request Brother Julius and Brother Chulan and Rama to share their thoughts on the grand launch of Vishwarupa Prema Sai Consciousness. Om Shri Sai Ram.
Yeah, Sai Ram, thank you, ma'am. Whenever you come with the charm of Lakshmi, as your name resonates. And we all love that beautiful charm and that wonderful expression of the inner goddess through your voice. It's so beautiful and heartful, ma'am. Thank you. Chala chala bandi, Lakshmi ma'am. It's like we are not able to express through the words, but we all can feel that vibe, that energy, the energy of Goddess Lakshmi. She comes like that. Yeah, thank you. So celebrating, so vibrant, and we can see that in you. Thank you, Sai Ram.
Brother Julius.
Om Shri Sai Ram. Thank you
Sai
so
Ram,
much.
sir.
Sai Ram, you're amazing, amazing singing. You have brought the heavens with you. And there was so much grace and blessings. And on our sides, we are totally feeling Swami's joy in your singing. It is such a great launch. You are the first program for Prema Sai, Vishwarupa Prema Sai channel. We are very, very honored to have you to sing in the first program. Thank you so much for gracing this occasion. Incredible blessings on you and everyone. Om Shri Sai Ram.
Thank you so much, Brother Julius Prabhu. I'm really, truly blessed today to listen to you directly and be blessed by you. It's a great opportunity, and what a wonderful Vishwarupa Prem Sai consciousness. All the musicians are truly blessed for the great opportunities you have been doing. Our pranams, Father pranams to you and Sai Ram, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Om Shri Sai Ram.
Om Sri Sai Ram.
Brother Chulin. Rama, can you please ask Brother Chulin to speak? Brother Chulin, can you please, I've made you the co-host as well. You can unmute.
Yeah, I have made the option unmute to all, so no problem. Anyone can also speak as well. I will say.
Picture cover, screen picture. Sir,
I think Brother Chulin.
Saram, I'm here. I wasn't here, but now I'm here. Saram, yes, Brother Ranga.
Your words, please, because of this incredible launch of Vishwarupa Prema Sai consciousness. It has been such a grand launch. You know, Brother Chulin, she was actually traveling and her flight got delayed. I was wondering why Swami got, because she's always like Swami, on dot, strict disciplinarian, always follows time. But today she got delayed by 15 minutes. You know why? There was Swami's discourse. He spoke about love and light. Yeah. And after that, both her compositions, she composed in Swami. Swami and Mother Ishwaramma, and then Rudram and Sankirtana and Sai. It was amazing. And thank you, and also it went live miraculously. It's all Swami's will. Over to you, Brother Chulin, for your words.
Brother Ranga, I'm so happy to hear you. And I've got to say, I should clarify that although I said I wasn't here, I was actually at work and I did come here intermittently. And I even asked my mom to come and listen to this because it was so beautiful. And I know Sister Dwaram was singing on Swami because I was listening to her earlier. And I'm very happy to meet her because I think I quite clearly remember preparing flyers for her in the past. And I just get to see the pictures and the names, but not the person. But in relation to Vishwarupa Sai consciousness, Prema Sai, my goodness, I can't believe that we are having this opportunity to actually have a channel for Prema Sai. He is the prophesied avatar. He is so much that we have heard about, and many people are not going to be able to connect with him, although he is going to be there for many. It's something so incredible, and hearing Julius speak about Prema Sai has been just so incredible. And I can't believe that we are here, actually. I mean, even when we were going to Dasa Mahavidyas, it was pretty incredible. But coming into the space of Prema Sai and even having a channel for this is just incredible and beyond belief. And I'm so happy to have this most beautiful music. And I'm not even a super musical person, but I came here for 2 seconds because I was at work just now. And it was just such incredible music for those few moments, and then I went back and I came back again, and I went back, came back again. I'm so happy to hear this beautiful, beautiful music, and I'm just so humbled and thankful that we can be in this amazing space and to be connected with so many amazing people on this journey together with you, Julius, Brother Ranga, and this entire group, and the amazing singers and performers coming here. It really feels like we're heralding a new age, and we're doing so in such a glorious and amazing way. And I'm in a state of where I just enjoy it, when I feel the beauty of it. And when I'm not, I'm just amazed. So back to you, Brother Ranga. Thank you so much for doing all that you do. I think you're busy like 16 hours on the amphitheater sometimes. And you have got a team of people working so hard to create flyers. I know they're working really hard because I used to do it myself in the past, and it's insane. So it's really at a loss of words when you calm down and just think about what's happening. Over to you, Brother Ranga. Thank you very much. And thank you so much to the amazing singers and artists who are, hearing you guys sing is amazing. And Sadhguru from the Isha Foundation has said that Carnatic music is a way to reach God. It's a form of Nada Yoga. And it really opens your dimensions to the highest. Over to you, Brother Ranga. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Brother Chulan, the backbone of Vishwarupa Sai consciousness. He's the one who silently does so much of work behind, and he's been maintaining this Vishwarupa Sai consciousness for 500 days. He's there 24/7, always available to serve Swami and his devotees. Thank you, Dwaram Lakshmi ma'am. We are truly humbled. And what a launch of Vishwarupa Prema Sai consciousness. Thanks to all the musicians who have assembled here for this launch. If anybody wants to share some thoughts, the forum is open. Om Shri Sai Ram.
I'm sorry, Ranga sir. There is some internet problem, and so I couldn't listen to what Brother Chulin said, sir. Can you kindly explain me?
Yeah, Brother Chulin, can you speak once again, please, Brother Chulin? What can you repeat like a parrot?
I'm sorry, internet issues. Sorry, sir. Sorry,
no,
brother.
It's totally fine. It's really, really fine. I was just saying how amazing this entire thing is, and because it's been so many things are happening here, and I'm working and doing this at the same time. So I came here for a few seconds, and I heard the amazing singing, and I went away, and I came back, and it was amazing singing, and I came back here, it was beautiful sounds again, and like I think I said that, when I really enjoy the feeling when I get this amazing feeling, but when I'm not in that state, I can just stand back and look at it in amazement and wonder what's happening. I mean, Vishwarupa Prema Sai consciousness is it's something else, and we are so gifted to be given this early introduction, I think. So we are more prepared when Prema Sai comes on in full form to truly imbibe his energy and be beacons of his energy, walking on this earth, because this is what the earth needs. And to have it coming forth through music is truly amazing. Julius did mention to us that new forms of music are going to be coming forth. And Sadhguru from Isha Foundation has said that Carnatic music is it's like Nada Yoga. It allows you to, through the path of music, reach God. And music is something truly incredible. I heard that in the Himalayas, the Nada Yogis teach the students by asking them to look at images and to play music to express the images they see. And that is one insane form of teaching, but it's so pure and it's so amazing, and to have the Carnatic music coming through, I think is such a beautiful start to the Vishwarupa Prema Sai consciousness channel, and to mark the 500th day of this platform. And thank you so much, Brother Ranga. Brother Ranga has been exaggerating my involvement and commitment, but I thank him so much nevertheless. He is so sweet and so kind, ever full of love, and he is so forgiving, and I really appreciate him so much for that, because I have made mistakes and he comes back so calm, collected, and cool. And thank you so much, Brother Ranga. You're doing so much work for us. And over to you again, Brother Ranga. Sai Ram.
That was Brother Chulin from Malaysia. He's the backbone of Vishwarupa Sai consciousness. He makes all those beautiful flyers. And today he has seen the flyers he has made in the past of Professor Dwaram Lakshmi ma'am. Today he could connect face to face. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for this, grand launch of Vishwarupa Prema Sai consciousness. This channel is essentially the Shakti channel. Lot of, what we call the programs connected with the Divine Mother, Divine Feminine is going to be played on this channel. Again, all of you, your fraternity will be here in this channel singing God's glory, and then helping.
So unknowingly, sorry to interrupt you. So unknowingly, I sang in praise of Ishwaramba Ammavaru. As you said, she's the mother, so it began in the right way. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's all the cosmic design, ma'am, because of even what you have to sing. Because
Yes.
you know, when I called you last night, you said you are going to sing, but you know, immediately you composed two great compositions, you know, which resonates with the Vishwarupa Prema Sai consciousness. You know, way forward, it's only one energy that is going to survive on planet Earth, that is Prema. Yeah, and it's a grandest of the launches on the 500th day. We are truly indebted to you, my dear sister Bangaru Lakshmi.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Kaso Madiyan. Thank
And you
you.
know what really humbles us, even Rama shared this morning, all these musicians are so highly accomplished. You know, they have been doing Nada Upasana for decades, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years. They are so humble with so much of knowledge. They feel, they interact with common people like me and Rama, who don't know anything. And they treat us with so much of grace and love. We are humbled, ma'am. We are humbled, and it's a great lessons of humility we have learned from all of you.
Brother Ranga,
And again, I thank you, ma'am. Thank you, my sister,
sir. Two
because you
corrections,
were
sir.
the one who brought these 300 musicians, which has grown to 750 to 1,000 musicians.
It is he, sir. It is he who brought all in. And two corrections. You people are not simple lay persons. You are the most respected and knowledgeable persons. That is correction one. And correction two is we are all just beginners. Thank you so much. Namaskaram.
Om Shri Sai Ram.
Sai Ram,
Brother
sir.
Ranga, I wanted to echo your words as well, that we are just astounded by the talent and the people who are coming here to sing, the gurus and these experts in Carnatic singing and, you know, music. And this heritage of Indian music is something else, because it really does take us to it's transcendental, you know, the ragas and the music, the sound, the vibration, the frequencies. So although I don't know head or tail about Carnatic music in terms of singing or performing or identifying things, but I know that this is something that has, you know, born of the rishis and the great masters and people who are truly connected. I always say this to people, you know, when people are singing a song, you're sitting at a table having a drink, when they start singing a song, where did all the emotion come from? It's just so fake. But in Indian traditional singing, you don't sing out of emotion or something, but you connect to the divine, and that flows through you. And if any emotion and all that is a product of that, it's not standing on a stage and, you know, having gestures intentionally, and it's not theater. So I really recognize this, although I don't know much about music, and I'm very humbled to see such grace flowing through the channel and everyone here. Saram, and back to you again, Brother Ringa.
Thank you so much. If anybody wants to share their thoughts, they are, the mics are open. Om Shri Sai Ram.
Yes, all the composers are like, they have become one with the Swami, and they have put all their love into these songs, and that we are listening now continuously. It's like we are really celebrating their devotion as ours, and we are seeing to be with Swami like them, pretty much. And yeah, in that process, all the gurus of music and their students have really made a beautiful way to all of us to tread in. This was so healing because we are listening to this much of music, which is we can't even expect and can't even sit like that. If even we pay, we can't sit for 2 or 3 hours to listen to this. But here we are listening to it continuously. Swami is making us to be here, to present, to get healed, to transcend, to be with him and merge with him. This is what is happening. Oh my God, that is incredible. And all of us are together in this. Oh my. And he's like, he's coming through each one of us, of you, of us. Like Vishwarupa, he's manifested so big, yeah, even if we want to escape, we can't. So that amount of love he has surrounded us all with. Yeah, that is what I'm saying. Thank you. Thank you all for being here and letting us dwell in his nama, in his form, in his love through this beautiful, beautiful music. Yes, we also don't know about the ragas and talas and nothing, but the feeling that is created is ever expanding. It's, oh my, yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rama, for those, you really echoed, what we really feel every day, being in this space of Vishwarupa Sai consciousness. Now we are in two boats, Vishwarupa Sai consciousness and Vishwarupa Prema Sai consciousness. Vishwarupa Prema Sai consciousness. Wow, Shiva and Shakti, the culmination. I'm sure 500 days from now, the full monad will be in a different level of consciousness. And we'll only journey together with these wonderful, amazing musicians. Without them, the Shakti part is incomplete. So we are indebted and we need you forever, ma'am. Sairam.
It's like we are shifting from Sai to Prema Sai. So it's like from all things which we are releasing, and we are entering into this golden earth filled with love, and that is why this channel has been surfaced now. That's because all this time we have been cleansing, clearing, and there was so much of during cleansing, there was so much of emotions giving rise, and those are taken care by these musical programs. Those are being healed, and now we are ready. We are ready to move into that wonderful love, and that we can grow, and yeah, and we are so healthy. Thanks to Swami, he kept us so healthy to see, witness all this. Oh my, yeah, I know.
Anyone else would like to share their what their thoughts of being in this space of Vishwarupa Sai consciousness? The floor is open. Om Shri Sai Ram. We have Dr. Savitri, then we have got so many here. Sudipta is here, Vijayalakshmi Dodlanki Garu, Yashodhara Garu, all of them amazing musicians. Rajeshwari is here, who's done so much she has done for this channel, bringing so many musicians.
Lakshmi Madam, Namaste. Namaste, Madam.
Japani Guru Garu.
Madam's Pallavis and Ragamalikas are really, really very educative, and then exciting, and what to say, what not to say.
Thanks, Andy. Chala thanks. Chala namaskaram. Namaskaram. Thank you.
ఈజీగా పాడేస్తారు మేడం పల్లవి, అది ఎలా పాడతారు కానీ
అది మీ ప్రేమ అంతే.
చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ మేడం.
థ్యాంక్స్ అండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
కొంచెం ఏసి అన్న చూడయ్యా. I think no more thoughts here. Then we end the session. Thank you so much, ma'am. Again, you traveled. You traveled all the way. In spite of that, without that fatigue element, you came. You came and then you came and then sang and took us all to higher levels.
He made it through you. Thank you so much. Namaskaram for the greatest opportunity. Thank you, sir. Sai Ram, sir. Govinda.
Much gratitude to you, sister. Thank you so much for coming and singing with us. Sai Ram.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Brother Julius, we close this session and then we jump to our quantum ascension after this. Om Shri Sai Ram.
Om Shri Saram. This channel, I'll be live streaming some Veena music from YouTube. So the music will continue playing in celebration. So
Okay.
let me start sharing screens now. And we'll meet each other again soon on Quantum Ascension on the other channel, Vishwarupa Sai Consciousness. Let me just get this out.
Okay,
Sai
thank
Ram.
you.
Thank you, Sai Ram.
Sai Ram. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram. Thank you very much.